Hi guys, have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just do not think that it is possible because you are broke? Today, I'm going to introduce you to another university in Germany. Yes, so where you can travel and study abroad for free. If this is something that you're interested in, oh yeah, Jima soon. Keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. So if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you and I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you to you. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for always sharing my videos. And thank you for your beautiful comments every single time. So if you're new here, do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends as well. And while you're introducing yourselves, let me also go ahead and introduce myself as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share 3 videos every week. Without further ado, get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. So besties, have you heard of RWTH Aachen Summer Intake 2026? So welcome back besties. Today we're spotlighting RWTH Aachen University, which is one of Europe's most prestigious institutions for engineering, applied sciences and innovation. RWTH Aachen is known for its strong industry partnership, research excellence and global students community. And with the Summer Intake 2026, you can start your studies in April with less competition and of course more flexibility. And here is the breakdown. It is tuition free. Yes, so and you can apply right now. Visa filing window is still open. APS certificate is required, yes, for certain students. You also get scholarships and financial planning support, and it's available. Now, RWTH offers English taught master's programs as well, yes, in mechanical engineering, in robotics, in artificial intelligence, and more. Plus, their summer schools and research exchanges are perfect for hands-on learning. So if you want to study in a city that is historic, that is student-friendly, a city that is deeply connected to German industry, yes, RWTH Aachen is calling your name. It has your name on it. They have a wide range of English taught programs. Germany offers over 2,000, yes, English taught programs, especially at the master's level. And that means that you can study in Germany without needing fluency in German language, while still having that chance to learn the language during your stay. Now, these programs are designed to attract global talents like your own, and they're also aligned. They're often aligned with international career standards. You also need to have they give strong career opportunities and industry connections. See, Germany is Europe's largest economy and a global leader in sectors like automotive. You've heard of German cars. Yes, automotive. Yes, automotive engineering, pharmaceuticals, and renewable energy. Now, many universities have direct partnership with companies that are offering internship, research placements, and job pipeline. International students can work up to 20 hours every week during their studies and 18 months after graduation to find a job. They're also innovative. See, innovation and STEM leadership. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And I'll tell you something, from AI and robotics to climate tech and biomedical engineering, universities are deeply involved in cutting-edge research, and students often participate in funded projects. So if you are tech savvy, if you're a founder or a researcher, Germany offers the infrastructure and mentorship to grow your ideas. So you see, these are fertile grounds to also help you build what you already have in you, to help you build your talent and take it to the next level. So if you've ever invented I'm not saying this school is only for inventors, but if you've ever invented anything or you are in the process of building, even if you have not invented it, you know that you just need a few guides. Guess what? Apply to this school. Or if you know someone that knows someone that knows someone, go ahead and apply to this school. Apply for this scholarship. You already know by now that I've got you guys covered. The window is still open. Yes, the application window is still open. So please, guys, go ahead and apply right now. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, because yes, there are so many scholarships that are available right now that you can take advantage of. This is the best time to apply. So don't say, Gmail soon. Don't sleep on it. And if you need help with the application process, go ahead and join my Patreon community, or you can join my channel membership. There's a join button right next to the subscribe button, or you can also join my Patreon community. That way you're able to book a one-on-one consultation with me. Interestingly, you also get to enjoy the rich cultural heritage and the modern lifestyle. Yes, so travel to Germany and enjoy what it means to live in cities with high-speed trains. With the student experience there is amazing. The tradition and innovation, you get to see cities like Berlin, Hamburg. You get to enjoy the multicultural and all the festivals that they have, as well as the students' vibrant lifestyle for students. And that's not all. You also get scholarships. Yes, they fund your tuition. So there are lots and lots and lots of opportunities that you don't want to miss out on, and I'm sharing them on this channel for free. All you need to do is to join my channel membership. Is to subscribe to my channel. Yes, go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that you get notified every single time I publish a new video just for you guys on this channel. You know by now that I have got you guys covered. And just so you know, for most of the schools that I share with you on this channel, if you are unable to afford the application fee, there's usually an application fee which is about from $40 all the way to $100. It can be $40, it can be $60, it can be $50, depending. If you're unable to afford it, take it from me. You can email admissions office and request for an application fee waiver. You can request for an application fee waiver. That way they don't charge you, and then you're able to also apply. So you see, it's a win-win. I have all the tips, tricks, and strategy that can help you save all the bucks that you can. So go ahead and apply to these schools. Don't sleep on it. And like I always say, stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Please, guys, in case you have not started processing your transcripts from your previous university or from your previous alma mater, please take this as a kind reminder. Go ahead. Oh yeah, start applying. Like, go and apply for your transcripts right now. Start preparing your statements of purpose. Start getting your references ready. Start looking for people. You should already have people who can vouch for you. References from your university and all of the good stuff. That's why I said stay ready so you don't have to get ready. So they don't catch you unawares. So you don't waste time in between when the school requests for the documents and then you are running. That's not the time for you to run. You should have done all the homework before even applying. So go ahead and start with your application process today. As always, I have done all the homework for you. Head over to the link in my description, check out this school, and start applying like right now. You never know, you can be on your way to your dream destination. Like I said in the beginning of this video, your dream, you have been dreaming of studying abroad or traveling abroad, but you don't think that it's possible because you're broke. I'm here to demystify that to you guys. Also, go ahead and apply. I am here rooting for you. And if you haven't introduced yourself yet, please go ahead and do that. Introduce yourselves in the comments. I would like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you once again. Thank you for your love. Thank you for always sharing me out. Thank you for your massive support to my channel. Thank you and thank you and thank you so much. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every single week. Yes, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So if you have not joined the family, it's on you. Please go ahead and join the family by subscribing, and also do well to share these videos with your friends. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Share this video in your church groups, in your mosque groups, with your parapro communities. Like, share this video, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that Mariah has got you guys covered. I'm going to be sharing with you another scholarship in my next video, so make sure that you are connected and make sure that you turn on the notification bell, click on all, click on your notification and click on all, so that every single video that I publish on this channel, you get notified. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. And in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you are sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am so proud of you. All right, take care, guys, and bye for now. Love you.